Do you remember the last time you wanted to go on a vacation and the flight rates were sky high? Well, you might have postponed the plan for a bit. While you were at work one evening, you saw an ad from Indigo, 50% off on all domestic flights. Boom! Lucky day. It was because of these advertisements that you managed to bag an air ticket at a very low price. This is one of the very few ways in which online marketing works and makes lives easier for us. As a business student, you must have a clear idea of what online marketing is. Now, before we move any further, take an attempt to answer this. Is online marketing the same as digital marketing? Well, it's not. Digital marketing is an umbrella concept and online marketing is a part of it. Confused? Well, let's say as a marketer, you decide to run a mobile campaign where you send SMSs to your customers about a new product launch. Even though you're using a digital medium, the mobile handset, you're not doing anything online or using the internet in any form. Hence, this campaign would be termed as a digital campaign and not as an online campaign. Before we move any further, let's answer the question, what is online marketing? It is a combination of activities and tools used by marketers to promote their product using the internet. Even though most companies and brands still prefer or trust the outcomes of traditional methods, online marketing has made its place. This is clearly because it offers more flexibility and ease of use to marketers since the internet is only a click away now. One of the company's primary objectives is to reduce its costs while it generates more profits. Online marketing techniques are low cost since the human resources needed are few. Besides, instead of investing in an event marketing campaign or simply putting huge billboards across the town, businesses now prefer digital ads that target specific groups. Companies today have adopted a new ideology: keep it online. Right from the initial research about the audience, building a strategy around the data, to finally executing a campaign, online marketing has made increased convenience for marketers and customers. These are only a few areas that give online marketing an edge over traditional marketing methods. But how does online marketing work? How does a marketer design an effective targeting strategy? And what are the different channels of online marketing?